Good evening, and it's time for the weather update. At 8 a.m. today, some areas have reported heavy rains like Chididi in Nsanje, Chichiri in Blantyre, Mulanje Boma, Blantyre District Forest Office, Ruweso in Chitipa, as well as Makanga in Nsanje. Tropical Cyclone Freddy has finally entered Malawi and is expected to continue causing persistent torrential rains over the south, which will trigger heavy flash flooding over most areas, also expecting possible damaging winds as well as chilly weather conditions. So here's what is happening. Tropical Cyclone Freddy, which can be seen in orange color here speeding over southern Malawi, will continue influencing the weather up to Tuesday. From Wednesday, Tropical Cyclone Freddy will be withdrawing back into the Indian Ocean. We're also expecting Tropical Cyclone Freddy to be pulling Congo air mass that will be causing rains over most central and northern areas. So this means that tonight into Tuesday, we're expecting persistent torrential rains, heavy flash flooding, possible damaging winds, as well as chilly weather conditions over the south. But then from Wednesday, we're expecting the weather to start improving over many southern areas. What we see here highlighted in red color are those areas that are expected to get hit the hardest by Tropical Cyclone Freddy, like in Nsanje, Blantyre, Mulanje, as well as Palombe. So let us make sure that we take these warnings seriously. Tonight, we're expecting torrential rains over the south, coupled with windy conditions. Heavy rains are also expected over lakeshore areas, northern high grounds, and parts of central areas. Tomorrow morning, we're expecting torrential rains to persist over many southern areas and parts of central areas like Lilongwe, Dedza, as well as parts of Kasungu. We're also expecting heavy rains over many northern areas, as well as parts of lakeshore areas like Nkata Bay and Kota. Right now, we're looking at minimum temperatures expected tomorrow. At Blantyre, we report a minimum of 16 degrees Celsius. My temperatures should be expected over lakeshore areas, Lilongwe, as well as Mzuzu. Tomorrow afternoon, we're expecting windy conditions over southern areas, coupled with torrential rains, especially over Blantyre, Neno, Mwanza, as well as Mulanje. We're also expecting torrential rains over parts of central areas like Lilongwe, Dedza, as well as Mchinji. Heavy rains should also be expected over parts of northern areas like Mzimba, parts of Nkata Bay, Mzuzu, as well as Rumpi. Afternoon temperatures will feel mild over Blantyre, Neno, Mwanza, as well as Palombe, while warm temperatures are expected over Mzuzu and Nkata Bay. So this is on Tuesday, and we're expecting torrential rains to persist over most of the southern areas. We're also expecting heavy rains over lakeshore areas, northern high grounds, and also parts of central Malawi. Tonight, you're with me, Alick, and be otherwise.